In this video, we're going to tell you why hiking Mount Washington is just like watching Game of Thrones.
No! All these haters, they mad I'm here. I'm shining bright like a chandelier. Today we're gonna hike Mount Washington and Mount Rowe.
So, last week when we hiked Wildcat Carter Range, the first day we hiked 4,000 vert, and Aaron did it. That got him cocky. So he decided to hike the highest peak in the New England, Mount Washington, over 6,000 feet. So today we're gonna climb 4,200, a little bit more than last week. We'll see how he does. It's a fall Saturday, beautiful weather. Not too warm, not too cold, and foliage is pretty at the right elevation. So we're not gonna be alone today, that's for sure. But still, looking forward to get to the top over the tree line. We're going up Jewel Trail, and we just passed that railway station. A lot of people will take railway up, easy way up, and this trail gonna climb steeply, take us to the foot of Mount Clay. Then we move to the south and climb up Mount Washington. Then we descend to Mount Moron. Then we come down. We need to work hard today to earn the view. We're just poke over 4,000 feet elevation, which means that we have another 2,200 to Mount Washington, which sounds pretty encouraging. So more to go. So it's nice we're over the tree line, which means that we have view to look at every step of the way. Today is such a nice day to climb Mount Washington because it's warm. It's right now like probably 60 degrees out here. We just go past the junction between Jewel Trail and Golf Slide Trail, where Jewel Trail merge into Golf Slide. I think it's the end of like pretty steep climb, and we are on a trail that is relatively fatter. We still have about 1,000 vert to go before the peak, and the footing is not good.
It's 1.1 to Mount Washington, and you can see the other presidential range over there.
You get closer to the summit, it's getting crowdier and crowdier, and we can hear the train. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be more crowded when we get on top. There's hikers and people take the train and people drive up. Now it's gonna be our typical hiking summit experience. So look at how long the line is just to take a picture of the summit that they didn't hike. But we did it, that's enough. We're not gonna go there. We're not gonna go there. It's like a zoo.
This is like a zoo.
Daddy's taking us to the zoo tomorrow. Zoo tomorrow. Zoo tomorrow. Daddy's
But hey, the view's still good. We have from right to left Madison, Adam, and Jefferson. I heard as a hiker this is supposed to be one of the worst summit, so I have low expectation, but when I get here it's still very chill. Look at how many people here.
Too many people, the land forced to run.
It's like a zoo, and people are celebrating getting on top. What peak they haven't hiked. So we're gonna find a quieter corner to enjoy our lunch.
Daddy's taking us to the zoo tomorrow. We can stay all day.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Alright, we're leaving the zoo. We're leaving Mount Washington. And it's just too many people. To be fair, we really don't have a problem with people who drove up Mount Washington.
Not everyone can hike.
But we do have a problem with people who brag about driving up.
For example, those car stickers.
How can you brag about a mountain you haven't hiked?
Maybe they're proud of being able to sit in the car the whole time.
Or maybe, just maybe, they think pushing their feet down the gas pedal is challenging, so they think it's a big accomplishment.
Hey guys, you're pretty bad at roasting.
You think you can do better?
Hold my juice. Step a pig at the sign. Okay, yeah, it's fine. He got here at 8 and left here by 9. You can't even climb, a gradual incline. He stood in line, what a waste of time. At 7 years old, I figured out. No need to show off, just stay in the house. I know you won't. You need to take a picture. Hey, at least you got a bumper sticker.
So that was good, but have we thought about the feeling of the people who drove up the mountain?
Hold my beer. Climb to the top. Mama told me don't stop. Pushing hard to this mental block. Mount Washington, that's the spot. Hi there. Yeah, feeling so good I made it up. Hi there. Took a long time to get this tough. I need a selfie, nobody helped me. I filled the gas myself, got plenty. All these haters, they mad I'm here. I'm shining bright like a chandelier. Wait, get on my good side. Need the 2 hours to sit on my lap. I cannot wait to post on the gram. Let's pick up that sticker, put it on the van. Flash. One of a kind. Climbing this mountain, we finally made it. Proving them wrong. GPS off at to show them my patience.
Good job roasting, folks. Now let's go back to the hike and we'll take you to
Mount Monroe.
And without the crowds, that's what white mountain hiking is truly like. Hike 1.5 miles away from the top of Mount Washington, dropping I think 1300 vert all the way to the lake of when it's open. It's a perfect place to stay if you want to traverse the presidential range. Other than a bit windy, I love this peak. Much better than Washington, right?
Yeah.
And we have a very good view. On one side we see Washington. On the opposite side we see Eisenhower, Jackson, and Pierce. So the other side of presidential. And on that side we can see the Mount Isolation. We had a fantastic hike last year. And there you have it. Mount Washington hike is such a beautiful hike. It gets grander and grander as you go up. But as you reach the end, you just crash and burn. Just like that final season. Oh, by the way, we make this video just make a laugh, okay? Don't take it too seriously. If you like brag about driving up Mount Washington, do whatever make you happy. I bought some Mount Washington sticker. I'm gonna put it on my car as well.
We're going to the zoo.